My grandpa taught me this when I was young. He said that these was a persimmon tree. Um, Deer like them. So, for instance, if you are hungry, they're actually good for you. I've eaten them. Ain't no big deal. They're actually very sweet. Spelt seeds. And takes a little work, but you're getting nutrients from it. There's little ripe ones here. They just come right off. That's good. Sugars, it's nutrients for you, I'm sure. 'Cause I ate them as a kid and they taste right. So, as a Native American and Irishman and other things that I am, I'm going to tell you, I guess I'm a Viking too. See? Yeah, you may spit 6 seeds out, 9 seeds out. But the rest of it, edible. And it's good. Oh, it's good. Like if you made a jam with it,